अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all of you happy and well. So in today's video, seashell crafts ideas I will share with viewers. So let's start today's video. Viewers, seashell mirror frame. Take a plain mirror frame, glue seashells all around the border, add small pearl for shine. Now your mirror look like magic. Seashell candle holder. Use a glass jar, glue seashells outside in any patterns. Place a candles inside. When it glow, it feel like beach light on your home. Seashell window charm. Take a stick or small branches, tie it and attach seashells. And hang it near a window. When the wind blows, you hear sweet or spoken sound. Seashells photo frame. Pick an old frame, decorate it with different seashells, add glitter for spark. Put your beach photo inside. Perfect memory crafts. Seashell jewelry. Take small seashells, make all or use wire, turn them into earring, bracelet or necklaces. Natural jewelry with seaside. Beautiful seashell planter. Take a pot, cover the outside with the seashells using glue. Add your favorite plant. Now it look like a seaside garden at home. Viewers, and Allah Hafiz.